I always get the same questions. Lamia, is crypto just a scam? Is it for criminals or is it just gambling? For a friend, family members or total beginner, that's how crypto usually sounds. But here's the truth, it's none of those things. Crypto is a revolution in how we think about money, ownership and trust. And today I'm going to explain it the way I wish someone had explained it to me. Simple and clear enough for anyone to understand. Hi, I'm Lamia, and by the end of this video, you will see why so many of us believe crypto is the future. Let's hit it. Here's the way I explain crypto to beginner. Think about the money in your wallet or bank account. It's just numbers, right? But those numbers are controlled by bank or government. Crypto flips that idea. Instead of one authority keeping track, thousands of computers all keep the same record. It's called the blockchain. That means no single bank or government can secretly change it. Then I'd show them a wallet. It's like a bank account, but without the bank. You don't need permission. You don't hand over your ID and you control it 100%. And when they asked, what if I lose it? I explained, with freedom comes a responsibility. Lose your recovery phrases and the crypto is gone. Next question I usually get is, but aren't all these coins the same thing? That's where most beginners get lost. I explain. Coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum are the native money of their own blockchain. Tokens live on the top of those blockchains. They can represent anything, dollars, gold, even art. And here's the warning. Tokens are easy to create. Anyone can launch one, hype it up, and cash out on beginners. That's why I tell people, not all coins are created equally. Do your own research. Then comes the question I hear the most. Okay, Lamia, but is crypto even safe? I read it's all hacks and crime. Here's what I tell them. Big blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are some of the most secure systems ever built. They survived attacks for over decades. The real danger is leaving your money on an exchange. That's where most hacks happen, because someone else controls your crypto. So I always repeat the line, not your keys, not your coins. If you use a hardware wallet, your crypto is only as safe as your ability to protect your keys. And about crime, Bitcoin is actually terrible for criminals. Every transaction is public and traceable. Law enforcement can follow the trail more easily than with cash. Most crypto use is completely legitimate. Payments, savings, trading, building apps. Finally, the big one. But Lamia, what gives crypto value? So I flip the question back. What gives traditional money value? It used to be gold. Now it's just government promises. And they keep printing more every year. Bitcoin is different. It has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. Nobody can print more. Scarcity plus demand gives it value. Ethereum, it has value because it powers an entire digital economy. Every app, every contract, every transaction needs ETH to run. Other blockchains bring their own strengths, speed, scalability, new utilities. Crypto have value, not just because it's scarce, but because it does things money never could. So next time someone asks me about crypto, here's what I tell them. It's money without middleman. It's a network without borders. And it's a tool that puts financial power back in your hand. Now I want to hear from you. How would you explain crypto in one sentence to a beginner? Drop it in the comment below. I'll be reading them all. And if you want to know how to buy your first Bitcoin or how to keep it safe, I'll link those videos at the end of this video. If this video helped you see crypto more clearly, hit that like button and subscribe for smarter crypto in less time. I'm Lamia. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.